And then finally, the last way, my most favorite way to make money in self-storage is lending. I've talked to everybody here about partnerships and how you can work with other people. And ultimately your goal should be to lend, right? Because all my lenders are making so much money off of me doing nothing except for just lending their money out, right? So everybody's goal should, in the end, should be to lend their money out. My personal opinion, that's what our goal is going to be as we get older and older, and all these facilities that we have, you know, we will be either lending, we will make money, lend that money out, 1031 exchange and partner, or we'll own or finance them, and, you know, be the one that just lends the money out, partners with everybody else, and then sits back and enjoys life, right? So that's going to be your ultimate goal, lending. Okay. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to stop, let me see, stop share. And let's see if we got a couple of questions here, and then we'll end the evening. So I appreciate you guys hanging in there and listening to my rambling on funding. We have lots of open strip mall space for rent, not for sale. Is it worth it? No, I wouldn't do the rent. I wouldn't do the renting. Okay, I would just do the purchase. But you don't own that space, you know. I think my personal opinion. Now there are some people out there that rent the space. I've never done it, and I don't really advise it. But I would talk to some people that do that. So that might be a great question to post in our Facebook group, which is called Super Simple Self Storage. So make sure everybody is joining that, part of that group, and like posting questions like this in that group so everybody can chime in. Okay.